Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by fitting the clip-on to the sunglass frame so it seats without forcing. This prevents scratches and misalignment. Once aligned, use your thumb and index finger to open the clip gently, feel the hinge travel, and position the pads over the frame edge. Make sure to clean both lenses and contact areas so dust won't trap between layers. If the clip feels tight, rotate slightly to match the frame curvature. This reduces pressure and improves optical alignment. You now attach the clip-on by centering it over the bridge, then lowering the sides evenly to avoid twisting the frame. Once the clip meets the frame, apply controlled pressure until it seats or clicks. This secures retention without bending metal. After seating, inspect from above and front to confirm no tilt and that both lenses line up horizontally. If one side sits higher, lift and reseat that side. Small adjustments maintain optical alignment and keep the clip stable during movement. You finish by testing retention. Give a gentle shake and tilt your head about 10 degrees to ensure the clip stays put. If you find gaps, fogging, or light leaks, remove the clip, clean all contact points, and reseat carefully. This fixes most issues. If wobble persists, check rubber pads for wear and replace them or add thin adhesive dots under the pads to stabilize. One key troubleshooting tip: if hinges are loose, tighten or swap the clip rather than forcing it, which can damage frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.